Hello, the lovers of realistic miniatures. Today we offer you a lot of cool new products. Let's see how it's done. Cut out details from foam paper and wonderful fabric with sequins. We have an unusual fabric chameleon, both lilac and turquoise. On the zipper, paste wide strips of black leather. Carefully assemble the sidewall and the walls of the future backpack. Glue a small loop handle and long, thin straps. Cut out and fasten a bright azure bottom. Decorate with a photo of the hostess. Cut off the excess. Add rhinestones and a pearl flower. Ariel has a miniature backpack. Do you like it? Put a toothpick on a blank made of foam paper. Bend the part in half and glue it together. Remove the wand. Make 2 identical incisions on the blanks. Carefully remove the excess. Turn one part into a screen, the second one into a keyboard. Then connect them with a stick. Bite off the long tips. Close the azure laptop. Attach a watermelon sticker and a thin silver canticle. Sebastian is thrilled. On a piece of pink foam paper, draw a Barbie foot. Cut off the cylinder from the wide tube and open it. Carefully cut out the curly detail. These are the future jumpers for the new doll shoes. Carefully cut off the excess. Well done! The thin strips are ready. Put the blank on an elegant leg. Insert and glue the pink sole. Add a second black layer. Decorate with sparkling rhinestones. The miniature sandals are ready. Aren't they pretty? A small plastic ampule is carefully cut into pieces. Then smooth the edges, remove the thin tip, cover with black varnish. Outline the contour of the finished edge and carefully cut out 2 parts from black foam paper. In one blank, punch the same holes with a hole punch. Glue the palette from the finished parts. Then fill it with real shadows of different colors. Collect a case for cosmetics, insert a palette into it, attach a mirror made of foil, decorate the case with rhinestones. You can start a realistic makeup for our doll beauties. Touch up the eyes. Apply a gentle blush. From a piece of thin, transparent plastic, cut out a curly, elongated drop. Make a hole inside. From foam paper, cut out circles of 2 different sizes. Cover the plastic part with silver varnish. Glue the mugs and the connecting jumper. Fasten a piece of wire and close it with a thin silver strip. Give a rounded shape to miniature headphones and try them on for Barbie. It looks very stylish and the sound is great. Disassemble the unnecessary spray gun. Remove the cover. Disconnect the tube. Carefully cut off the tip of the inner part and grind the edges on a nail file. Fill the bottom with hot glue. Cover the bottom with silver varnish. Draw a strip. Paint the straw, bite it off, and glue it to the workpiece. Insert a thin rod and glue a cord to it. A narrow strip of foam paper with a fork at the end. A very realistic hairdryer. Great! Let's do Ariel's hair. Apply a drop of glue. Put a cylinder on it. Level the bottom. Make a lid on the flask. Insert a wide straw into it. Cut off the excess and glue it with tape. Close it with a tiny lid. Attach the bottom, spout, and sticker. The cream dispenser is ready.